Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter here, and I just got a package from Amazon, and I opened it, and there was 2 items in it. The first item was the 850, which I reviewed in another video. The second item was this. This was an item that we bought because my son has been playing with my wife's iPad mini, and we needed something a little stronger, tougher for him. Now, I forget the brand name of this. Off the top of my head, I don't remember the brand name of this case, but I'll put it somewhere over here, whatever the brand name was. But this is basically kid-proof. iPad case is kid-proof. My son is gonna be 2, and he's just obsessed with my wife's iPad mini, to the point where it's basically become his. We put a couple kid games on there, and he absolutely adores it. So let's get that going and see how it is. This case has a little plastic protector in there. I guess it's just to help hold its shape. But basically, this is just like a foam rubber case. Pretty indestructible. The back side has these 2 little kickstands that fold out that will help you prop up your iPad. So, kind of cool. This is was not very expensive, and there's not much to it. Like I said, it's just a piece of molded foam rubber. iPad mini. Look at how disgusting this thing is. Kid spits all over it. Just pops right in. It's a little tricky to get in, but that's good because it means it won't be as easy to take out, and we won't get him taking it out and smashing it. It's got a little handle. It's got a picture of my son when he was born, and it has the games on it that he likes, which are these Kidtopia games. So this should hopefully save this thing's life. This iPad's life. Pretty indestructible. I'll let you know how he likes it. But that is about it. Obviously, it doesn't have a screen protector, so the screen could still get damaged. But the edges of this thing, if he drops it, pretty protected in this foam rubber case. I mean, not much is gonna happen. Obviously, straight on smashing the screen, but anything from the back or the sides, this thing is protected. So, yeah. All right, I'll let you know how it works. Hey everyone, I just wanted to check in. I've had this case now for my son for about a day. And I just wanted to talk about some of the things that now that he's gotten to play with it a little bit, that I've liked and that I don't really like. Here it is. On the back here are some kickstands. And this is, it's a useful thing. Nice little tool so it can come out. And it's just foam rubber is all it is. It's nothing special. It's not real rigid plastic or anything, which I guess is good. You don't want anything that could hurt your kid. But if your son is anything like mine is, he's trying to figure out how to rip those off. And I'm pretty sure it won't be that hard for him to do. So yeah, I'm almost wishing they weren't there. But if your son is a little older, my son is only 22 months. He's not even 2 years yet. So maybe that's why he's just kind of curious about what they are and he's trying to figure out how to rip them off. But besides that, the case is extremely rugged, and he seems to like it. He can grab on and carry it around with this little handle. And yeah, so he kind of likes that. And it's definitely going to save this thing's life, because before we got this case, there was several times that he kind of just tossed this thing to the ground, and if he did that too many more times, this iPad would have been probably cracked or broken. So yeah, so I just wanted to check in on that. Hey guys, believe it or not, it's been a year and a half since the videos that were shot just before this, where I was talking about the iPad case. And I wanted to put this video out again and actually talk, because this is the iPad case still. My son still uses this thing pretty much every day, and it is still intact. And as you can see, the thing that I was worried about the most was these falling off, these little kickstands here to hold up the case. They're still intact. The screen is uncracked. While it may be disgusting and slobbered, it is uncracked. The iPad still works, still has the same picture, and my son still uses this thing every day. So I really think that it's a testament to this case, because kids are not good. Are not good with their items, I should say. Not that they're not good. Not good with their items. He has had this case, this iPad, since before he was 2 years old. He is now 3.5, and he plays with it constantly. And it saved this iPad. This iPad is actually going to probably die, not because of cracks or damage, just because it's already gotten to the point where it won't update anymore. It's an older iPad, and it's gonna just eventually go obsolete before this iPad case fails it, which is incredible. And I just wanted to share that. This is kind of like a long-term review, because I showed when I first got it, and now a year and a half later, kid playing with it every day, still intact, still doing his job. And there's very little damage at all. I mean, there's no damage to this case. This case is indestructible, in my opinion. I mean, I guess maybe some kid could destroy it, but my son hasn't figured it out how to destroy it, and he's destroyed other things in the house. So I think this is a testament for this case. So I just wanted to share the update on that case, and I wanted to say thanks for watching this video. I plan on doing a lot more with this channel in the future, in the near future, doing a lot more updates on products that I've already reviewed, giving you an idea of how the product's working. So yeah, so thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.